In this video, we're diving into how you can use AI tools inside your community. If you've already set up your community in Rooms and you've got a handle on managing your members, awesome. This next part is going to take things up a notch. So here's the deal. The AI inside your community isn't just sitting around looking fancy. It can actually help you out big time. You can use it to create posts, reply to comments, brainstorm ideas, and even generate images. Let's start from the top. Head over to your community settings. That's where you'll first spot the AI tool. From there, it can help you polish your community name, write up a catchy description, and even whip up a community image. Now jump into your room settings. The AI can suggest a room title, fill in the description, and just give the whole thing a professional touch. And hey, if you don't like what it comes up with, no worries. You can always undo it and stick with your original version. Now for the fun part, creating posts. When you're writing a new post, the AI can suggest better titles. Just pop in your idea and boom, options to choose from. Once you've picked a title, the AI can go ahead and write the full post content for you. You can copy it section by section or take the whole thing and tweak it however you like. Need an image for your post? Yep, AI's got that too. Oh, and before you hit publish, don't forget to use the AIT button. It'll clean up your spelling and grammar so your post looks polished. Now here's a really cool part. After your post is live and your members start commenting, you can use the Write Reply with AI button. The AI reads the comment and writes a reply that actually makes sense. You're not stuck with it though. You can edit or improve the draft before sending it out. Just hit Improve Reply if you want a fresh version. All right, quick recap. The AI tools can suggest names and descriptions for your community and rooms, create your community image, help you write and polish posts, generate images for your posts, suggest and improve replies to your members, and of course, fix your grammar and spelling. Pretty cool, right? That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.